Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.
हेलो गुड इवनिंग नमस्ते मेरा नाम बहार है मैं बैंगलोर में रहती हूँ आई एम एन इंजीनियर बाय प्रोफेशन एंड आई वर्क एज अ project manager in a multinational company in Bangalore. I have two children who are teenagers. My daughter is in 10th standard and my son is in 8th standard. I have a full-time job and in spite of all those things, I do have time to do things which I love the most, and that includes my running apart from all the regular things what we do. So the whole point of mentioning you about my running is in the times of corona, even though the events have stopped, I did not stop running because that is something which motivates me to take the life challenges in a very different way. It helps me to clear out my mind and my thoughts and align them into the way I wanted to take forward my whole day. As a woman, we have a lot of responsibilities. We don't get time for ourselves. So it is really important that we put out some time where we are actually focusing on ourselves. So I find running is one of such things which I really enjoy doing it, and I do it generally early in the morning when there is nobody to disturb you and no thoughts of the upcoming work is there to catch hold of you. So this running I have started since in my late 30s, and I'm glad that I'm still continuing to do it. So what my message to you all would be, there are three things which you should look at when you are talking about yourself. I understand it is important to take care of family, your kids, your husband and your in-laws, but apart from that it is very important that you take care of yourself, because as we say that in the flights we say that you first put on your mask before you try to help others. So to help yourself, I would suggest there are three things which you should always keep in mind. There should be something for your mind, for your body and your soul. So mind wise, we have a lot of work. I mean, the people who are working, they have to use their mind into what they are doing it. So mind is actually reactivated. For those who are at home, who are busy with their household stuffs and they do not get specifically to, because household stuffs becomes mundane. So it is important that you do some kind of puzzle, sudoku, or do some kind of art or craft or something to keep your mind busy. The second thing is your body. So some people love to do yoga or do some other kind of form of exercise or gym or other things, and I love running. So I would suggest you should have one sport activity which is there in your life, and as you grow older it is all the more important that you do it and consistently do it. And the third thing is for your soul. So we find solace either in your prayers or reading some religious books, attending some sessions, or even some people love to do some embroidery or other thing, or any hobby which makes you feel glad and which helps as a stress busters. I would suggest that you should keep doing that. I would want this. I take this opportunity thanks to Rakesh Mehta. Rakesh Mehta ji, he has been with me. I have known him since my engineering days, and he was very motivating even then. And I'm glad that he has started this life changes channel, and this will help the youth to align themselves. And I'm saying it's not only youth, but it is also important that we middle age also understand the importance and work towards it. So thank you Rakesh ji for giving this an opportunity, and I'm just saying that if you can see, my accolades are there. Even though corona has stopped the events, but I have not given up on running, and it is important that we continue with what we are doing. Thank you.